Making money online has never been easier, and to prove that, I will share with you one of the easiest ways to make a decent amount of money online. If you can click, you can earn. This requires no selling, no products, no camera, no skills, or any experience. Just click, then you can earn. It's available worldwide and it requires no investment. It is absolutely free. But if you go straight to the website and you try to do it on your own, then you will make only a couple of cents per click. But if you stick with me, I will show you one simple trick that will make you more money per website you click on. But before we start, welcome to
Easy Cash Money Daily channel,
where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. Step number 1, come over to youlikehits.com. This is a website that will allow you to click on websites and earn points. But this is not the only website we will be using. If you actually want to cash out your money for real cash, whether that's PayPal money or whatever payment option you prefer, then you need to stick around until the end of this video so I can show you which platforms you need to use to actually make more money and to actually withdraw your money. Otherwise, you will never be able to exchange the points for real money. It's going to be really simple and really easy. So what you need to do is come to youlikehits.com and sign up for absolutely free. To sign up, just click the green button right here which says sign up. What you need to do now is enter your username, then enter your email address, and then create a password for your account and click on sign up. It's really easy, it's simple, and it's absolutely free.
Let's now go to step number
2. Once you create an account, you should now log into your account. Once you log in, you should see something like this and you can see your points right here, and this is your username. All you need to do is hover your mouse here on the earn points section, and you want to click here where it says website hits, because that's exactly where we can go to click on websites and get paid. But you need to stick around so I can show you how you can actually exchange those points for real money, because as you can see, there is no withdrawal button to be seen on here, so you need to do something to actually exchange those points for real money. But don't worry, you won't have to sell anything, and that's why it's gonna be so easy. Anyways, all you need to do is click on visit right here. That's going to open up another website for us, and you can see I need to wait for 15 seconds, and once the countdown hits 0, I will be able to close this page and the points will be added to my account. So as you can see, we got this number of points. And all I need to do is just repeat the process to collect as many points, because obviously the more points you have, the more money you are going to be able to withdraw. So that was step number 2, and before we head over to step number 3, just a very quick recap. Step number 2 is to log into your account, and step number 3 is to start visiting those websites, and that's exactly how you earn points. Now let's go to the most important part, and that's actually withdrawing your money. How do you actually cash out those points for real money? Whether it's PayPal or whatever payment option you prefer. Let me show you how you can exchange those points for real money. So how can you actually withdraw that money from youlikehits.com? Because as I said, once you start earning points by visiting websites, you will be able to see your points, but there is no withdrawal button, and that's why you need to use an external platform, which I'm about to show you. Trust me, this will be very easy and simple, so just follow along the steps and stick around until the end to maximize your results. Step number 4 is to come over to cpalead.com and sign up for an absolutely free account. And once you log into your account, it's gonna look something like this. So this is your dashboard. Now you just need to click on offers here on the left side, and that's going to open up many different offers on this CPA marketplace. And CPA stands for cost per action, which means that we just need to refer someone to a URL where they need to sign up to something for free. They don't need to spend any money at all. They just need to become qualified by entering their email address and their name, which is a lot easier than selling anything. But anyways, we just need to grab our referral link, and you can see all these different offers that are paying different prices just by referring someone to this offer. You can choose anything you like. You might be able to find some offers that pays more, and then it's more appealing to people, but anyways, I will go with this one just as an example. So this one is paying me this amount per lead or per person that I refer to this website, and they have a chance to win some giveaway. They don't need to spend any money, but they have a chance to win this gift card for absolutely free, which is a no-brainer and which is gonna be a lot easier than if we were selling something. All you need to do is grab my referral link, so just click on that offer and you can see that this is your referral link. You just need to copy that, and whenever you send people to this link, if they sign up, they have a chance to win a gift card and you will get paid, which is really good. Once you grab your referral link, you need to make it short, so copy that long URL and go to bit.ly.com. This stuff is optional, but it's recommended. You want to make it short because this is way too long. All I need to do is paste my long URL and I click shorten, and this is my new URL. It's short and pretty much takes people to the same page, but now it just looks more appealing for people to click on. I would copy that, and that was step number 5. Just shorten that long affiliate link. Step number 6, once you have done all of this stuff, all you need to do is come over to twitter.com, and to sign up to Twitter, it's absolutely free, and I guess most of you guys are already on Twitter, but anyways, if you don't have a Twitter account, just come over to Twitter and sign up for free. You do not need any followers, likes, or engagement. You're still going to be able to do this because we were just using this platform to cash out our money from youlikehits.com. And this should only take a couple of minutes, so just stick around until the end and you will see that you actually need to do this in order to withdraw your money. So once you create a Twitter account, even though you have no followers, all you need to do is just post something like this: new giveaway, and add some emojis, and then add the price depending on the offer you chose from cpalead.com. And then you can type something like enter here for free and just paste your shortened bit.ly link, which is basically your referral link. I will just click tweet, and that's it. That was step number 6. Step number 7, once you've posted that on Twitter, all you need to do is click on that tweet and copy this URL here. This URL takes people to your Twitter where they can see this tweet, and once they click on that link, and if they sign up, you're going to get paid. Now, you just need a lot of people going over to this tweet so they can actually click on your referral link and they can sign up, and you can keep making money like I do. And to do that, just go back to youlikehits.com, and depending on how many points you have, you can exchange them for Twitter retweets. Now, you can get Twitter shares from those points, and that's exactly how you can withdraw your money. That's how we can cash out. That's how you can exchange your points for real money and actually make a lot of money. So each website you visit equals 1 Twitter share. So let me show you this. If I go to retweets right here, which means that I can get Twitter shares from all the points I have collected, people who are sharing my Twitter posts probably have a lot of their friends following them, and when their friends see the giveaway, which is absolutely free, they're more likely to click on it and take action. It costs them nothing, so why not? They'll have a chance to win a gift card, so that's a no-brainer for them. It's gonna take them less than 10 seconds to sign up. So as you can see, I will copy this ID right here and I will paste it over here, then I'll just click on add tweet. And now other members of youlikehits.com will start retweeting and reposting it with their friends. I don't have to do anything from this point. If I want to earn more points so I can get more shares and earn more money, all I need to do is go to earn points, then go to website hits, and I will just keep visiting those websites so I will keep earning points. So that's basically how it works. You visit websites to earn points, which you then exchange for Twitter retweets, and people that are sharing your post on their Twitter accounts will get noticed by their friends, which then can sign up to your CPA lead offers so you can actually make money from the points you make on youlikehits.com. Once again, you're not selling anything and you just need to set it up once and then just keep visiting these websites to earn more and more money with youlikehits.com. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you on the next video.